Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Starbucks gift card. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you want to do is actually head over to Starbucks website, and the URL for that is starbucks.com. And from here you should be on this page, and as you can see in the top left corner, there is an option that says gift cards. So the first thing you want to do is click on that, and then from there we can see all the gift cards that they have to offer. But since we're trying to redeem a gift card, what we want to do is either choose add or load or check balance. So if we weren't actually sure how much money was on it and we just wanted to check, we can click check balance, put in the card number and security code of our gift card, and then we can click check balance to find out. However, if you don't need to find out the balance and you just need to redeem it, all you have to do is click add or load, and from there you will either need to sign into your account or make a new account. And when you're done doing that, you can get back on this page. You will actually have the option to redeem your Starbucks gift card. So that's exactly how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.